3 years ago or 5 years ago, when I was in campus doing photography, I couldn't have telling you that I would be doing photography full time now after my campus life since 2018 to 2022. Those are definitely 4 years. I've been doing this photography for almost 4 years or 6 years professionally, and I've been wondering, why am I not making it in life like any other photographers? But I know where I am at the moment. I need to build something. I need to build my own concept in photography. That's why we are doing this concept photography every Monday. We do concept photography, because we love the concept, we love the story, to tell the story in a picture. And doing that, we really enjoy doing it. We really love doing what we want to do. I really don't want to lose myself to the world, because photography has given me an opportunity to see myself in another way of life. Like, photography just give me those goosebumps when I hold on the camera, when I take a picture. If I don't take a picture, then I'm depressed. But for a while, doing this concept photography is really changing my life. Doing this concept, I really want to continue doing this concept. And doing this concept, if they're going to change my life, my daily basis, yes, I'm going to continue doing it. And I know people outside there, they're gonna love what I'm doing. And if you're going to be one of it, please subscribe on the channel and love the video, like this video, because really, you're really a good supporter to me. Because it hasn't been easy for me to build this journey of photography. I started with my degree, doing internship for 1 year for free, without being paid, but photography was a runway. When I was doing this internship to my course that I went to university for, I didn't get paid, but photography got me a chance, and that chance is doing this concept. And the concept that I'm going to do is going to change many lives, and it's going to change my life. I don't know when am I going to be that star on YouTube, but one day, definitely, it will reach that time. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video.